I like to experience the real life of local people. It is very interesting to be led by local people to the night market to eat various delicacies. Everything is very delicious, and cheap. In addition to listening to the tour guide introducing snacks and sharing the culture of Bali, it is a rare experience. Although the dining hygiene standards in Bali are not as high as those in Taiwan, and there are still flies around, it can be seen that they have done their best within the conditions. I ate 5 kinds of snacks without any discomfort. Here is your reference. Suma is an enthusiastic and lively guide. He can express himself in simple sentences in Chinese and is more fluent in English. He has also taught himself Japanese and Korean and is a very serious person. I am very happy to have him accompany me on this journey. I followed a Chinese-speaking tour guide, Wei Yan, who is a pure Balinese but has studied Chinese in Taiwan and Beijing and is very fluent. The food is also very delicious. If I wanted to buy coffee beans, he took me directly to the factory to inquire. Unfortunately, it was closed, but he was very enthusiastic and thanked him very much. As long as Wei Yan takes care of my needs within the time limit, he will also remind me to be careful with my wallet. I feel very safe following him, a great tour guide. It seemed like the tour guide was in N number 39, familiar with the night market. He just kept asking me what I wanted to eat and didn't N number 39, proactively introduce any local specialties. The only good thing was that he could help me communicate with the vendors and make smaller portions of food for me, so I wouldn't N number 39, get full from just one stall. There is a guide and you can feel at ease. I can N number 39, speak English, and at N number 39, a crowded place, so it might be scary if it N number 39, your first time. I couldn't N number 39, go without the guide, so it was really fun. We are the only foreign tourists at the night market. With a guide, we can browse, eat and buy freely. I highly recommend everyone to buy this itinerary. The director is very good, his driving skills are also very safe, he is very shy, and he can communicate in a language that is much more convenient. The tour guide was great and caring. He explained the night market food in detail. I ate a lot of unique food. It was a worthwhile trip.